if you do have your tarp and your rope, let's set something up here. Now, thing with your rope, you may see one strand, right? And this is braided rope. So, one thing that you can do, is unbraid this rope into 3 strands if you need to. I'm going to show you how to do this with just 1 strand of rope. We're going to use our big tree as an anchor here to get us out of the wind. The wind is your biggest enemy. Your tarp can also be used as a blanket. You can tuck it into your clothes for extra insulation. In this case, we're going to use it as a shelter.